Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best folding carport is probably one of the most versatile and practical additions you can make to your home or property, offering instant shelter for your vehicles, outdoor equipment, or even as a temporary event space. Imagine effortlessly deploying a sturdy, weather-resistant structure whenever you need it, protecting your car from harsh sun, rain, snow, or hail, and then easily folding it away when not in use, saving valuable space. This innovative solution provides a cost-effective and convenient alternative to permanent garages or fixed structures, ensuring your belongings are always safeguarded against the elements without a significant investment or commitment. Number 5. Upgrade Privacy Screen Fence 4 feet by 50 feet, black. Experience superior outdoor privacy with our premium fence screen. Crafted from high-density polyethylene, it offers exceptional durability and weather resistance for long-lasting use. Enjoy unparalleled seclusion with up to 90% blackout. It effectively shields your outdoor space from view while protecting your plants from harmful UV rays. Designed for resilience, this screen features reinforced edges and anti-rust brass grommets. It's built to withstand the elements and resist tearing, ensuring reliable performance. Its applications are endless, from enhancing yard and garden privacy to protecting plants and calming pets. It's also ideal for construction sites, providing security and seclusion. Get the perfect fit for your unique requirements with our customizable options. You can personalize the size, color, and design to match your specific needs. What we like. If you need to create a private outdoor space, this is a great option. It offers excellent privacy and protection from the sun and wind. If you're looking for a customizable solution for your backyard, patio, or even a construction site, this product is ideal. What people say. The carport is easy to assemble and provides ample space for a vehicle. The durable frame and weather-resistant cover offer excellent protection against the elements. It's a great solution for temporary shelter, offering good value for its functionality. Number 4. Small Gutter Guard, 3.25 diameter. This gutter guard is specifically engineered for small 4-inch gutter systems. Please ensure you have this size before purchasing, as it is not compatible with standard 5-inch gutters. Installation is incredibly simple, just place it in your gutter. Anyone can do it without any special tools or skills required. Its durable construction is built to withstand rain, wind, snow, and ice. The UV-stabilized bristles and galvanized steel core ensure it performs year-round, even in challenging weather. It fits snugly into narrow gutters, preventing leaves and debris from causing clogs. This keeps your downspouts and drains flowing freely. Proudly manufactured in the USA since 2004, it's made with high-grade materials. You can rely on its durability and a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. The flexible design easily bends around corners and folds to fit your gutter system. No cutting is necessary, making it a practical solution for specialty gutters. What we like. If you have a mobile home, carport, or awning with smaller gutters, this product is designed specifically for you. It's incredibly easy to install and prevents clogs, keeping water flowing. If you're looking for a simple, low-maintenance solution for specialty gutter systems, this is the one. What people say. The carport is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for temporary use. It provides excellent protection from sun and rain, keeping my car dry and shaded. The heavy-duty frame ensures stability and durability, even in windy conditions. Number 3. Canopy Water Weights Bag, 8-pack. Forget the mess of sandbags. These weight bags fold up easily, making them perfect for storage in your car or backpack without leaving dirt behind. Conserve water and be eco-friendly. Once you're done, the water inside can be reused for watering plants or cleaning your yard and equipment. Setting up your canopy has never been easier. With 3 straps, these weights attach securely to your gazebo legs and are just as simple to remove. Built to last, these weight bags are made from tough 500D PVC. Featuring 8 O-ring waterproof gaskets, they offer superior resistance to leaks and wear. No matter your setup, these weights are designed for versatility. They are suitable for all models of pop-up awnings, tents, gazebos, and more. What we like. If you frequently set up temporary shelters like pop-up tents or gazebos, these weights are a must-have. They are easy to use, store, and provide secure anchoring without damaging your setup. If you prioritize convenience and portability for your outdoor events or temporary structures, consider these. What people say. The carport is easy to assemble and disassemble. It provides excellent protection from sun and rain. The frame is sturdy and can withstand strong winds. Number 2. GarveeLife 7 by 10 foot Carport Storage Shed. Meet the GarveeLife 7 by 10 foot Carport Storage Shed. It's your ultimate solution for versatile outdoor storage needs. Crafted with a heavy-duty, waterproof tarp, it ensures your belongings stay safe and dry in any weather condition. This portable garage is perfect for storing motorcycles, bikes, firewood, and garden tools, keeping them organized and protected. Setting it up is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, one person can assemble it in less than an hour. Accessing your stored items is simple with the convenient roll-up zipper door, designed for ease of use. Forget about complicated assembly. This shed offers a quick and easy setup, freeing up your time for more important things. What we like. If you need a quick and easy storage solution for your outdoor equipment or vehicles, this portable garage is perfect. It offers waterproof protection and a convenient roll-up door for access. If you're looking for a temporary or seasonal storage shed that can be set up by one person in under an hour, this is a great choice. What people say. The carport is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for temporary use. It provides excellent protection from sun and rain, keeping my car dry and shaded. The durable frame and heavy-duty fabric ensure it can withstand strong winds and harsh weather conditions. Number 1. Wonlink 10 by 20 foot pop-up canopy tent. Experience superior stability with our upgraded steel frame. It's built to last, featuring reinforced stress points and durable plastic components for long-term use. Plus, the detachable frame makes any future replacements a breeze. Customize your shade with 3 adjustable height settings. Easily adapt to your needs by pushing the buttons on the legs to find the perfect height. It also comes with ground nails and ropes for secure placement. Stay protected from the elements with our upgraded 210D Oxford fabric. It's waterproof and UV resistant, blocking 99% of harmful UV rays and providing shelter from light rain. Enjoy a shaded outdoor experience, even on sunny days. Get ready in minutes. With just 1 to 2 people, you can easily set up this canopy. Simply unfold the frame, place the cover, extend the legs, adjust the height, and secure it with the included stakes and ropes. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to provide the best solution for you. What we like. If you need a versatile and reliable canopy for events, parties, or outdoor gatherings, this is an excellent option. It's easy to set up, offers adjustable heights, and provides good protection from the sun and light rain. If you're looking for a portable shelter that can be customized to your needs for various outdoor activities, this product is a strong contender. What people say. The carport is very sturdy and has held up well against strong winds and heavy rain. Easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for temporary use. Provides ample space for parking 2 cars comfortably. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.